Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Laid Plans, and you know what? I think that this deserves a special intro. Give me 1 second. Now, I believe we are ready to open up the Be Happy box from this fall, and it is, of course, the Shondaland Netflix Bridgerton and Happy Planner collab. I am super excited about this. I have rarely seen Be Happy boxes that have these sort of like book TV show tie-ins, so if this is a sample of what is to come, I am very, very pleased. So let's go ahead and open up the box, shall we? All right, first impressions. I love the Lady Whistledown logo on everything. This paper, just gorgeous. Now, we have at the top of this box, this author finds herself compelled to share the most curious of news. And how gorgeous is this? This is definitely going to be one of the boxes I save to store stuff in. I think this is so beautiful, right on brand. So let's very carefully, because I really do not want to, I don't want to destroy the sticker. Trying to keep everything. I know it's there for that reason, but and on the very top, we have a note that says, Lady Whistledown Society Papers. On a happy note, your Bridgerton Be Happy box has arrived. And here we have a lovely list of everything included. And it says, it is my greatest honor to present you to our exclusive Bridgerton Be Happy box. Be properly prepared to shine the brightest next season with these exquisite items. And that is going to come in handy when I'm talking about the items, so I'm just going to keep this aside. But let's begin. Here we have some note cards, and it looks like we have these Lady Whistledown cameo wax seal stickers to go on the envelopes, which is amazing. And I'm going to take a second and open these up and show you. So we have plain white envelopes, but these are the different cards. So it says, on a happy note. And they're all blank inside for you to customize. This is amazing. The way that these are branded, I might use some of them in planner spreads as like journal cards. I feel like they would be very appropriate. Look how gorgeous this pink foil is on this one. Absolutely lovely. And then of course we have our wax seals. So that was the first thing in the box. Then we have this sticky note, and it has our queen crown and this lovely mint green with this floral pattern. Very beautiful. And then we have this sticker book, which I'm going to set aside and do a full flip through for you guys at the end, but you do get a 905-piece sticker book, and it is cut in this jewel shape, absolutely beautiful. And then we have included a quill feather pen, and I am going to open this just to get a feel for the feathers, because sometimes when I get these type of pens, they have a kind of weird marabou kind of feel to them. But this one is really lovely, and they did quite a good job with the faux feather. So you can feel very fancy writing notes. I will have to keep this away from Figaro though, because I am sure that he would think this was a fabulous new cat toy. So that is the pen we received. Then we have some folded filler paper. So this is skinny classic size. And it opens up, and I will show you, like so, to be a full-size note with that lovely kind of regal print again on the inside. And I feel like that is very appropriate for Lady Whistledown. Our little concealed page here. So you get a number of these. Then we have some more accessories. This is the bookmark that comes with it, and it says "See and Be Seen." We have these lovely roses, bright colors, beautiful. So that is everything. I did want to show you that floral pattern continues through the box. Absolutely gorgeous. And I definitely am keeping this paper as well. I love it when I get a Be Happy box that I feel I can use everything in. Someone took a lot of thought and care in curating this one, and I hope we will see more Be Happy boxes with TV show collabs, book collabs. I would absolutely just die if some of my favorite books made it into a Be Happy box. This was a fantastic collab from what I've seen so far. We're going to look at the sticker book and the classic notebook next. So I'm going to just put the rest of this stuff in here so we can move on to those next. So the two really big ticket items, so to speak, in the Bridgerton Be Happy box are going to be this beautiful frosted cover metal disc classic notebook and our 905 page large sticker book. And when I say large, I mean it. It's literally the same size as the classic Happy Planner. So this is much more akin to the large size sticker books that Happy Planner releases in terms of its size. So quite a hefty book. Let's take a look at this gorgeous frosted cover. We have our Happy Planner logo. We have that beautiful floral we saw earlier on the front and back. On the inside here. And then on our cover, which is gold foil, it says, "Dearest gentle reader, did you miss me?" And we have our Lady Whistledown logo here. And then look at these discs. So these are bright gold, and they have this flower cut out in them to match the theme. And I just think this is such a gorgeous notebook. You really could turn it into a planner, and I probably will. And then we have, let's open up our pages and look at the dividers and what those look like. So we have 3 dividers. We have this one here in this beautiful gold color. And then this one here says, "Your move, Your Majesty, Lady Whistledown." And then we have the last divider, Lady Whistledown Society Papers. "There is nothing quite like the sweet-scented smell of success. It is clear the season won't be quite so fragrant for everyone." Ooh. And that is the back of that page. And then this was the back of the last one here. And the way the pages look, it is this beautiful floral scroll pattern. And you can see that the flowers in the scroll also match the flowers in the disc cutout. So this is stunning. This is definitely one of the highest quality notebooks that I've seen from Happy Planner. I look forward to using this. And I just think it's just stunning. It's stunning. So that was the beautiful notebook included. So now let's take a look at our sticker book. I did want to mention, I mentioned that the size was large, but you should note that these are technically sized for the classic Happy Planner. So let's take a look at our sticker book here. So we start off with some clear stickers, and already we've got the Bridgerton bees. And we have some little wax seal stickers with various flowers, bees, Lady Whistledown, a diamond. And these are these lovely illustrations of these florals, which I feel are perfect for the way that Bridgerton interprets the Regency era. So let's move on to the next one. So we have some journaling stickers. This says reflecting on, and it has a hand mirror. And we have some beautiful diamonds as well with gold foil. Then we have some more clear stickers. We have this lovely Lady Whistledown cameo. We have the Manor House. We have the Bridgerton bees again. And these lovely just florals and gorgeous crowns as well. I love the saturated colors for this. It is very much how I see the Regency era as it is kind of imagined through Bridgerton. And here we have some affirmations. So be free, be kind, be happy, be bold, be brave, be you, be light, be true, be kind. And we have these longer stickers that you could use for a sidebar that have the Lady Whistledown logo on them as well. And I love that the paper background is this lovely ecru color to kind of differentiate it from like a white background like we would normally see on the sticker. Wonderful detail. Then we have some quote stickers. So focus on finding your wings. We have Lady Whistledown society papers. Flowers need time to bloom, so do you. All my love. All is fair in love and war. And we have some of these little photo corner edges. And this one says Diamond of the Ball. And again, that gold foil clear stickers. And these are fantastic quality. I think this is some of the clearest quality that I've seen from the stickers from Happy Planner. Absolutely lovely. We have some more of the wax seal. So if you like that style, or using these for, I'm going to use them for letters for sure, but we have some more of each of those. And then we have some boxes. I do wish they had continued with that ecru here instead of the white, just to keep that kind of theme together, but it's still absolutely gorgeous. And then we have some icon stickers. These are on matte paper. Here we have some different quote stickers. So one happy day, ordinary everyday moments, it's your year to shine, all's fair in love and war, the social season is upon us, dearest gentle reader is the one at the bottom. And we have flags. So some of these are kind of functional, the ones that say checklist, busy day, that kind of thing. Again, with the gold foil. Here's another clear page that we have with those insignia and the bees and the manor house, everything just lovely. Then we have some double boxes with these diamond icons, and these are our Lady Whistledown Society paper logo. And here we have some checklist boxes. Again, I wish they had gone with that ecru throughout, but I still like it. And these are lovely. So these are frames, and they are, it looks like these are like box stickers, because it doesn't seem that I have like a cutout to take out the middle. So I think you're meant to write on these. Here we go. There's some more of that beautiful ecru with Lady Whistledown logo. And these are just lovely little writing boxes. And we have some more in different colors from earlier of the long boxes. Same thing here. We have more colors of these Lady Whistledown double boxes. Looks like we're moving into the cool tones. Oh, I love the green ones. This is really exciting. And here we have, this is not clear stickers like the rest. This one is a, it's on just regular paper, regular sticker paper. Then we have some functional stickers, but they are diamond shaped, of course. So it says buy, do, call, send, pick up, mail. And then we have some clear stickers that are quotes. Be daring, my darling. All's fair in love and war. The social season is upon us, and dare to begin. And we have some more functional stickers here. These are some flags that have labels on them like today, to do, list, do, notes. And they're in the variety of the colors that we see in the sticker book. We have some more of these. I love these so much. There's some more clear quote stickers. Focus on finding your wings. Flawless darling. Yeah. Flawless darling. Be daring, my darling. And the social season is upon us. And now we have some really beautiful clear stickers, and these are definitely Regency inspired with these illustrations and the cameo and the horse and carriage. Some full boxes next, and these are foiled with that lovely gold foil, very bright, beautiful gold. And we have some that are like monthly box sizes and some that are the weekly box sizes for the vertical planner. Here are some more of those icons. These ones are just on plain white background. And then we have the bees in the garden and this beautiful botanical illustration. And then we have some more of that foil with our beautiful manor house and the different insignia. And that is the last page. So that is the beautiful sticker book that comes with this Be Happy box. It is exclusive to this box. I know that they're sold out right now. I'm hoping that they will get these back in stock because they're absolutely gorgeous. So you may have noticed I haven't gotten a Be Happy box in a while, and it was because I just hadn't seen something that called to me. And the Bridgerton box was, in my opinion, a great success. I feel like the items that they chose to include, the uniqueness, the functionality, the quality were just superior to other boxes. I haven't seen something that made me this excited, to be honest, since the Wildflower and Stargazer Be Happy boxes. So I hope that this is a trend that will continue with Happy Planner. And I am now super psyched for season 3 of Bridgerton. I know that's going to be coming out soon. I think December 25th was a date I heard tossed around, but I never know what I can hear it. I never know what I hear anymore on social media, if I can believe it or not, when it comes to show dates. But I'm definitely looking forward to it. And I hope you enjoyed this Be Happy box reveal and review with me. I will be back next week with a really fun DIY for our first video in December. We'll be making some gorgeous frosted dashboards for very inexpensive. So if you like the look of this, then we're going to be doing a DIY just like that. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and I will catch you all next week. Farewell, gentle readers. Bye!